Let's begin by asking what a biome is. A biome is a major area that has a similar year-round weather pattern and supports similar kinds of living things, such as plants and animals. These plants and animals are adapted to getting what they need in a type of biome. The first biome is a desert. A desert is a biome that gets very little rain. Days are often hot, but the nights are cool or even cold. Many people think of deserts as just sand and rock. However, desert biomes can be full of life. A cactus is a plant with adaptations for life in the desert. If you get real close to a cactus, you can see a waxy covering that keeps it from losing its water when it does rain. Many desert animals rest out of sight during the hottest time of day. For example, the kangaroo rat stays in a cool, moist den. The dark night protects it from animals that hunt it. Certain desert snakes, however, can locate it by the heat it gives off. The second biome is a tundra. The tundra is a cold, dry biome located in the most northern part of the world and on high mountains. This map shows you the parts of the world where the tundra are located. The winters here are long and cold. Cold winds blow the little snow that falls. Summers are short and cool. The snow melted in the summer, forming ponds. Ducks, geese, and swans nest near these ponds. Most of these birds travel to warmer places during the winter. Some, such as the snow geese, fly long distances to find food and raise young. The third biome is wetlands. A wetland is a low area that is covered by water for at least part of the year. Crabs, shrimp, and snails feed on tiny creatures that are living in the mud of a wetland. Many kinds of birds also feed on these small living creatures. The long-legged shorebirds can wade through shallow waters of wetlands without sinking. The fourth biome is a grassland. A grassland is a biome that has many grasses and flowering plants, but few trees. Grasses such as the Indian grass and the little blue stem grow well here. This deep-rooted blazing star is a grassland plant with pretty flowers. Flowers attract insects that help the plant make seeds. Here you see a huge herd of bison roaming the grasslands. Grasshoppers use their long legs to climb and jump. Their mouth parts are adapted to chew grass. They use wings to fly to different grass plants. The fifth biome is the ocean. Oceans are biomes that cover much of the Earth's surface. Ocean water contains salt. The ocean is shallow along the shore. Clams, crabs, algae, fish, and coral live close to the shore. In deeper water, algae called kelp form underwater forests. These kelp forests are home to many different animals, especially fish. This fish is using gills to get the oxygen it needs from the water. Other animals such as orca whale, sea lions, and sea otters also live in the ocean. They do not, however, have gills and must come to the surface to breathe air. The final biome is called the forest. There are 3 specific types of forest that I will discuss. The first type is coniferous. Coniferous forests grow well where there are a lot of snowfalls and winds blow cold and dry. Most coniferous trees keep their leaves in the winter. Tree leaves are ready to make food when spring arrives. Leaves in the shape of needles can gather sunlight from many directions. The second type is deciduous. Trees in deciduous forests grow during the warm spring and summer when it rains. Shrubs and other plants grow beneath the trees. Animals such as this black bear are adapted to use trees for shelter and food. This black bear is using its claws to dig for insects and climb trees to find nuts and acorns. The third type is the rainforest. One kind of rainforest exists in places with mild temperatures and lots of winter rain. Many small plants in the rainforest called moss form a soft green carpet. Mushrooms are part of fungi that live in and on the wood of dead trees. Fungi can break down the dead wood and use it for food.